My name is Mrs. Young. I like to make videos to teach you new things and to help you remember the things you already know. I'm glad you're here today.
Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody is doing great. Today is Tuesday, June 13th in the year 2023. So let's start by taking a look at our calendar. Today is the 13th, like I said, and we have a couple holidays coming up, which we mentioned last week. This Sunday is Father's Day, which is June 18th. And in July, we have Independence Day, which is on July 4th. That is coming up next month. So, if you remember in last week's video, we talked about June and July being the summer months. And we talked about the fact that we are off from school and work for a few days, maybe a few weeks, maybe even more than that. And so we have some free time. And free time is the time that you get to choose what you want to do. So last week we talked about ways that we could find things to do so that we don't get bored during the summer. Well, some of you might be going on vacation or might be going on a trip this summer. And if you are, you're going to need to know how to pack your suitcase. So that's what our lesson is going to be about today. But first, I wanted to mention a current event. Current events are things that are happening in the news. It could be sports news, it could be news about entertainment, like an actor or a movie. It could be news about things that are happening in the world that are more serious. Today, I want to talk about a sports current event. If you are a hockey fan, you know what I'm talking about. Right now, there's a big tournament going on called the Stanley Cup Finals. And what that means is two of the best hockey teams in the whole country are playing each other for several games, and whoever wins the most games out of the games that they're going to play gets to be the champion. And they bring home a big giant trophy, and it's called the Stanley Cup. Tonight is going to be a big Stanley Cup championship final game, and the two teams that are playing are the Golden Knights and the Florida Panthers. So if you're interested, check it out. But remember, we all like different things, so it's okay if you don't like hockey. Maybe you like football. And in August, football season is coming up, so stay tuned for that. All right, let's get back to our lesson on how to pack a suitcase if you are going on a trip. Are you ready? All right, here we go.
If you're going on a trip this summer, the first thing you need to do is to count how many days that you will be gone. You also have to think about where you're going and what you're going to do when you get there, so you know what you need to bring. If you're going to be gone for a long time, you will need a bigger suitcase. If you're only going to be gone for a couple of days, then you'll need a smaller bag or a backpack. Remember to put your name on your suitcase or your bag. You'll need to pack enough clothes for each day that you'll be gone. You'll need shirts, shorts or pants, shoes, pajamas, and clean underwear for each day. Remember to bring your grooming supplies or toiletries, which are things like your toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, comb or brush, makeup, razor, and shampoo. You'll also need to remember to take any medicine or vitamins that you need. Then, think about where you're going and pack the things you'll need for what you'll be doing once you get there. You may need sunscreen and a towel and sunglasses if you're going to the beach. or a fishing pole if you're going camping. If you're going on a cruise, you'll probably need a passport. A passport is a travel document that tells who you are, and you need to have it if you're going to another country. The last thing to remember is to pack anything else you may need or want, like your phone and a charger. Don't forget the charger. An iPad, a book, sunglasses, a hat, or a camera. And then, once you get to where you're going, have a wonderful time on your trip.
Okay guys, so I hope you learned some tips on how to pack a suitcase if you're going on a trip or if you're going on vacation. Remember, the most important thing is to know how many days that you're going to be gone and pack clean clothes for each of the days that you're going to be gone. One other thing to remember is you don't want to carry too much stuff. You can't take everything that you have normally at your house, because then you'll have too many bags and you'll have too much to carry. So only pack what you need for however many days that you're going to be gone. Okay guys, well, that is all the time that we have for today. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!